Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today I am back with another tutorial of class 10th, chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression or AP. So I have divided this chapter into different parts. In part 1 of the video, we would be looking into the introduction of AP. So it will help you to solve exercise 5.1 of NCERT. In part 2, we would be looking for the nth term of the AP. In part 3, we will look into the sum of the n terms of AP. And in the fourth part, we will discuss some multiple choice questions. Please do watch all the parts for more clarity of the concepts. So let's start with the introduction. Now to understand what AP is, let's consider this series. So the series is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. What are these numbers? These numbers are the terms of the series. 1 is the first term, 5 is the second term, 9 is the third term, 13 is the fourth term, and so on, right? Now, can you see some difference between both the terms, right? If we consider the first term and the second term, what is the difference? How can we find the difference? See, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, right? So what I have done, I have added 4 to the first term to get to the second term, right? Similarly, what I have done is I have added 4 to the second term to get to the third term, right? Similarly, I have added 4 to the third term to get to the fourth term, and so on. The process will go on this way. What is this 4 that I have added? This is the common difference, right? Also denoted by D. So in this particular series, the D is equals to 4, right? What is the first term? The first term, as we have discussed, is 1. So the first term is also denoted by A. So A is equals to 1, right? Okay. So the second term here is 5. Okay. So what can we say about second term? This is equals to 5. Or I can say second term is equals to first term plus the common difference, that is equals to 4, right? Yes. So I can say second term is equals to A plus D. Okay. Now what about the third term? The third term is equals to second term plus the common difference, right? What is the second term? It is equals to A plus D. Plus D, that is equals to A plus 2D, right? So third term is equals to A plus 2D. Similarly, we can calculate the fourth term. So the fourth term would be equal to A plus 3D. So for a general AP, we can say that the series goes on like A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, and so on. Now what is A? Again, A is the first term, A plus D is the second term, A plus 2D is the third term, A plus 3D is the fourth term. Okay, so for AP, we can say each term of the series is the sum of the previous term and the common difference. I hope this much is clear to you. Now consider another example for this. Let's suppose I have a series with terms 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, right? So what is the first term here? First term is 10, second term is 5, third term is 0, fourth term is minus 5, and fifth term is minus 10. Now, how to find the common difference of the term? Now, as I said, the common difference can be found by subtracting two consecutive terms, right? If I subtract first term from the second term, then also I'll get the common difference. If I subtract second term from the third term, then also I'll get the common difference. Let's see. See, this is the second term. So 5 minus 10, that is equals to minus 5. This means that I have added minus 5 to the first term to get to the second term. Okay. Again, if we need to find the common difference by using second and third term, what I will do is from the third term, I will subtract the second term. So I will get minus 5. This means I have added minus 5 to the second term to get to the third term, right? Similarly, I have added minus 5 to the third term to get to the fourth term, right? Okay, so here the common difference is equals to minus 5. Okay, so the common difference can be positive, it can be negative, or it can be 0, right? It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0, doesn't matter. Okay, so now as we discussed, what is the first term? First term is denoted by a, that is equal to 10 here, right? Now supposedly I have only the first term and the common difference. So in this case, how can I find the second term? Okay, so what we have discussed so far is second term is equal to the sum of the previous term plus the common difference, right? So what is the previous term? That is first term, a, and the difference, that is plus t. So what is a? 10, and what is difference? Minus 5. So the second term is 5, and we can cross check from here, right? So here it is 5 and here it is also 5, right? Now what about the third term? So third term is equals to a plus 2d, right? What is a? 10 plus 2 into what is difference? Minus 5. Okay, so this is equals to 10 minus 10. This is equals to 0, right? So we can verify, yes, the third term is equals to 0. Similarly, the fourth term is equals to a plus 3d. This is equals to 10 plus 3 into minus 5. That is 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5. Yes, we can check it, right? Okay, so the fifth term will be equal to a plus 4d, that is equals to 10 plus 4 into minus 5, that is equals to 10 minus 20 equals to minus 10. Okay, so we have completed the series till here. Now what if I say I need to find the sixth term? So we know that the sixth term is equals to a plus 5d, right? What is a? 10 plus 5 into what is common difference? Minus 5, that is equals to 10 minus 25. Okay, so that is equals to minus 15. Okay, so the next term after this would be minus 15. Okay, we can again verify from here. See, this term plus the common difference, this term minus 10 and the common difference, this is equals to minus 15. So yes, what we have found from here is correct.
So let us look at few questions now. So in the first question, it is given, write first four terms of AP when first term is minus 2 and common difference is minus 1 by 2. So we have the first term and we have the common difference, right? We know that the first term is denoted by A. So A is equals to minus 2 and the common difference is denoted by D. That is equals to minus 1 by 2, right? Also, we know that the series of AP goes like A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, and so on, right? Where A is the first term, A plus D is the second term, A plus 2D is the third term, A plus 3D is the fourth term, right? So we already have the first term, that is equals to A equals to minus 2. Now we need to evaluate the second term, right? So second term is equals to A plus D. A plus D. We have A as minus 2 and we have D as minus 1 by 2. So this is equals to minus 2 minus 1 by 2. This is equals to minus 5 by 2. So we have got a second term that is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now we'll evaluate the third term that is equals to A plus 2D. Okay, so I'll put the values. So it would be minus 1 upon 2. This is equals to minus 2 minus 1, that is equals to minus 3. Now we'll evaluate the fourth term that is equals to A plus 3D, that is equals to minus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2, and when I'll evaluate it, it would be equal to minus 2 minus 3 by 2, that is equals to minus 7 by 2. Okay, so our AP will go like this. Minus 2, that is the first term. Second term is minus 5 by 2, then minus 3, then minus 7 by 2, and so on. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. Let's move on to next question. In this question, it is said which of the following series form an AP, and if they form an AP, we need to find the common difference in the next two terms. Now, how to see whether a given series is an AP or not? What we can do is we can find the common difference by using first term and the second term, and if the common difference found by the first and the second term is same as found by using third and the second term, then we can say the series is an AP. Okay, we can again cross check the common difference by evaluating the common difference using the next two terms. Okay, so we'll look into this now. So let us start with the first and the second term. To find the common difference, what we will do is we'll subtract the first term from the second term. Okay, so 5 plus root 3 minus 5. So this is equals to root 3, right? Okay, so our common difference is equals to root 3. Fine. Okay, now we'll evaluate the common difference by using third term and the second term. Let's do it. 2 root 3 minus 5 and minus root 3. Fine, so 5 and 5 will get deducted and we'll get the answer as 3. Again, we have got the common difference as root 3. Okay, now we'll do it by using third term and the fourth term. So it would be 5 plus 3 root 3 minus 5 and minus 2 root 3. So again 5 and 5 got deducted and we have got answer as root 3. So again the common difference here is root 3. So yes, we can say that this series is an AP, right? Now what we need to do is we need to find the next two term. So we already have first, second, third, fourth term, right? So we will evaluate the fifth term and the sixth term, right? So what is fifth term? Fifth term is equals to a plus 4d. What is a? A here is the first term, that is equals to 5, and what is difference? That is equals to root 3. Okay, so the fifth term is equals to 5 plus 4 root 3. Sixth term is equals to a plus 5d. Again it would be 5 plus 5 into root 3. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Then in the next part, the series given is as 0 0.7, 0 0.77, 0 0.777. Okay, so we'll do the same process here. What we will do is we'll evaluate the common difference between first two terms, that is equals to 0 0.77 minus 0 0.7. Now when we'll evaluate this, we'll get the answer as 0 0.07. Okay, so we have got the common difference as 0 0.07. Now we'll evaluate the common difference between the next two terms, right? So 0 0.777 minus 0 0.77. So now we have got the answer as 0 0.007. Now note here that this and this value differs, right? Therefore the value of d differs, right? So this series is not an AP. So if this series is not an AP, we don't need to find the next two terms. Okay, so we'll move on to the part C. In the part C, the given series is minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, and minus 6. Okay, again we'll find the common difference by using the first two terms, that is equals to minus 6 minus minus 6. Okay, so it would be minus 6 plus 6, that is equals to 0. So we have got the common difference as 0. Now we'll evaluate the common difference by using second and third term. Okay, that is equals to minus 6 minus minus 6. Again, that is equals to minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 0. If we look at the next two terms, again we'll get the common difference, that is 0. Okay, so yes, we can say this series forms an AP. So we need to calculate the fifth term for this series. Again, the fifth term is equals to a plus 4d. Now what is a here? That is equals to the first term, that is minus 6 plus 4 into common difference, that is equals to 0. Therefore, the fifth term is also equals to minus 6, and the sixth term, that is equals to a plus 5d. Therefore, it would be minus 6 plus 5 into 0, that is equals to minus 6. Okay, so I hope all the concepts and questions in this video are clear to you. So in the next video, we will learn more about AP series. If you have any doubts in any question related to this topic or concept, please post in the comment section. Also, like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Goodbye.